Hello, and you join me for a review of the mud flaps available for the Mercedes CLA. So as we all know, a lot of what can happen to our CLAs is we can get this kind of pebble dash effect here in all this area, and there's loads of little stone chips. This is especially, you can see it especially on the black. But what I have bought on eBay and doing a review now is these plastic mud guards. You see, because of this sloping lining in here, the tires spray way more on the side, which is bad enough if it's mud and dirt like this, but it's often stone chips. So you're not going to be able to see it, but it's kind of pebble dash slightly this area. So that's why I bought these. Now they were cheap enough on eBay, so I didn't know how good they would be. If you can see here, normally on the CLA, there are these two tabs anyway. So what you do is you pull out this middle tab first, which is actually a metal insert that goes around this plastic. So pull that out first, then you can get a screwdriver in there and pull this one out, and the whole thing comes out there. And then literally put this on where there is sticky tape too, and then put these on, and it really does hold it quite securely. They were the cheaper ones that are on eBay. Now, this, I don't know how good that sticky tape is going to last, to be honest, on there. It is kept quite strong though by the two clips on the bottom, and we'll just have to see, does it. Now, it doesn't help that I have these Veman 19-inch wheels that are a 235/3519, so that doesn't help because of my ET. It does, without wheel spacers, it does run it quite close to the edge, and it does rub, but you can kind of just see the profile there and the massive problem that I'm facing, and I'm just hoping that that's going to help. So if you're looking to buy them on eBay, you can get them. I'm not affiliated in any way. They were 24-25 euro, something like that, whereas you can get carbon fiber or carbon fiber effect ones, and I think they were 70 something. But it's definitely worth, I think it's worth it on your CLA. Again, maybe if they were more black, they could be sprayed a bit black. They will last. If you ever have to take the wheel arch trim off though, that is going to have to come off, and I don't know how well it's going to come back on because of the self-adhesive tape that's securing that to that. But as you can see, it is bending it, so I don't know it's going to move that much, and I'm sure another bit of tape would do that. Again, it's just a cure. That style line is gorgeous for the CLA, but again, it does result in chippings and stuff like that. As you can see, I've got a few Maxton bits here on it that I think kind of bring up the car slightly. A little bit of kit and a wing on the back. But guys, that was my review of the eBay mud flaps, and I definitely think it's worth a buy. On the back there, you see it doesn't have those two tabs there for fitting them on the back, so I don't know how you could do it to the back, but that's what I think.